Hi everyone, I'm Adarsh, a fourth year dual degree student in electrical engineering and a branch change from metallurgical engineering BTech. In this video, I would first like to give you a brief overview of what electrical has to offer, and I would be going over a few questions that a lot of you might have. Electrical engineering has a plethora of options for us to explore. The department has 6 specializations. The curriculum of a branch is so designed to give us a brief overview of all specializations through a course or two. It then gives us an option to choose our specialization, and we can choose our relative courses within that specialization. Many students are often concerned with career prospects. I would broadly categorize them into higher studies, core placements, and non-core placements. Our department has a global reputation for its research, and most professors are very reputed in their respective fields. Working with these professors in projects and receiving letters of recommendation from them really help you to get to the desired college abroad. Coming to core, almost all the tech giants that come to the institute for placements and internships open the profiles for us, hiring a large number of electrical engineering students year over year. A few companies like NVIDIA, Texas Instruments, and Qualcomm almost exclusively hires from electrical engineering. From the non-core standpoint, almost all companies open their profiles for us, and unlike popular opinion, the students who want to pursue non-core do get enough time to follow their interest. I'll now answer a few questions that might help you to make an informed decision. The first question: since when did you consider doing a branch change? What were you looking for in the new branch? What made you settle on electrical in particular? The first time I considered branch change was probably when my ISMP mentor was discussing the importance of academics and the perks of high CPI, one of which was potential branch change. My first semester had gone decently well, and I had developed a lot of interest in quantum mechanics from PH107 and CH107. After the DIC, I felt that my new interest in quantum physics, to suit that interest, physics background might be better. However, this interest was fairly new, and I did not know till when would I actually be interested in that subject. So changing my branch to physics seemed like a gamble. I then talked to a few seniors and got to know that electrical had a specialization called microelectronics, where I could pursue the same interest, and since electrical is very broad, I would have other options available as well. The next question is, how did you find electrical department compared to your original branch? Since it has a reputation of being one of the most hectic branches, what was your experience in adjusting into the new branch? Electrical is challenging for sure. The workload can be overwhelming at times. You would often find yourself completing projects post in semesters when everyone else would be chilling. But it definitely helps you learn a lot. For me, electrical helped me learn how to thrive in competition. Adjusting into a new branch can be challenging for an initial time period. Making friends, getting to know how things work would help you gel into the department. The third question is, what sort of extracurricular activities are you involved in, and how do you manage your time while balancing out the academics as well? I guess the main aim of this question is to find if electrical students are free enough to pursue interest given the heavy course load. A short answer is yes, they are free enough. Managing your time well and staying organized will help you find sufficient time for other activities. Personally, I was involved in academic council as an institute secretary. I did a few teaching assistantships. I was in the cabinet of student mentorship program, and I'm now the overall coordinator of the student mentorship program. I was able to do all of this and a couple of more things while maintaining a decently good CPI. So, reiterating, the key is time management and staying organized, which comes with practice. Next question. Since you shifted to a dual degree program, how did you choose between staying in a regular 4-year program or to spend an extra year in the institute? A lot of students have this bias towards staying in a 4-year program, but most of them don't have a reason for the same. I'll just go over the few pros and cons of a dual degree program. Pros, firstly, an extra year. You get an extra year, which means more time to explore. And trust me when I say this, you never run out of things to explore in the institute. This extra year can also be used to dive deeper into your field of interest. And second, a master's degree. Many students don't go for higher studies once they're out of the institute. The DD program gives a master's degree for a year's effort, which would take 2 years if done separately. Cons, firstly, an extra year. You would have to stay in for another year, and this can be seen as a con as well. Secondly, you would have extra coursework compared to your BTech students. Every semester you have to do one extra course for a DD requirement. Apart from this, people mention that DD students aren't allowed to sit for a few consult companies in the third year internships, but they make up more than enough for it during the placements as they have an extra year, which makes the same companies like their profiles a lot better. The last question, what do people do if they don't like core electrical? So a major apprehension while changing the branch to specially electrical is, what if I don't like it, given the coursework is much more heavy compared to other departments? So as I mentioned before, many people pursue extracurricular activities. A lot of my friends are in finance, trading, management, AI/ML, coding, etc. I personally landed an internship in Procter & Gamble, a non-core company, during the intern season because the core internships did not appeal much to me. Electrical has diverse research areas and it offers the students a lot of options otherwise as well. So students from electrical have done well in research, core and non-core. So just repeating what I said before, a lot of what you can gain from electrical depends on how well you manage your time and on the smart decisions that you make in life. Hope this helps you. Thank you.